Hey, fifth graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and we are in the land of geometry. So I have a little poster here with some geometrical shapes. We have polygons, and this is just a quick review that we know a polygon is a flat closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments. Okay, so it's closed, so the lines are connected. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, so at least 3 or more line segments. This one has 3 line segments. This one has 4 line segments. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're checking that out. That's a polygon. Next up, we've got a quadrilateral, and quad actually means 4. Like if you've ever ridden a quad in the desert, you know that a quad has 4 wheels. All right, so we have quadrilateral, a polygon with 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that these are all different shapes, though. So a quadrilateral actually has tons of shapes in that category. All right, and then third up is parallelogram. This one's still a quadrilateral because 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides, but something special happens here with parallelograms. A parallelogram has it's a 4-sided shape in which both pairs of opposite sides, so those are opposite sides, and those are opposite sides, they're parallel. So I could draw on here, these lines are parallel, meaning they're moving in the same direction. They're never ever going to intersect. So same for this set of lines. They're moving in the same direction. They're never going to intersect. That makes this a parallelogram. All right, and then just a quick review. Rectangles have 4 straight sides, 4 vertices, and squares side by side look like rectangles. Now, a square has 4 angles and 4 sides. All the angles are right angles, and all the side lengths are the same length. So all of the side lengths are the same length. Okay, and then trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral, and only 2 of the sides are parallel. So these 2 sides right here on this trapezoid have parallel sides. They are moving in the same direction. It didn't really work on the top one. Let me redo it. You can see here, let me change my color. You can see here, these 2 sides are not parallel because they will eventually intersect if you keep going. See how it met at that top point right there? So only one side are parallel. Okay, and then check out this rhombus. Last thing, I have 4 sides that are the same length. So obviously a rhombus then can be a quadrilateral. And it's not a square. It's like you smushed the square, right? Okay, so check this out. We're going to look at the hierarchy of things today. The first thing I'm going to draw out for you is a quadrilateral. I'm going to zoom in a little bit over here. All right. So a quadrilateral, as we learned, has 4 sides. Let's see if I can get a little close up. There we go. Okay. I tried to make these lines straight, but I'm a human, and when we draw with our hands, they don't end up super straight, so I tried the best that I could. So this is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's check out the next thing. So we're going to draw next a trapezoid. So I'm actually going to draw this a little bit different, maybe. So I'm going to put it inside the quadrilateral. Why do you think I'm going to put it inside the quadrilateral? There we go. So that is a trapezoid. Now, remember, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral. So that's why I drew it inside of the quadrilateral. And remember, in a trapezoid, 2 of the sides are parallel. It's like the trapezoid is trapped inside the quadrilateral. Man, I can't say that word today. Okay, and then up next, let's try out a parallelogram. So let me change up my colors. So a parallelogram, as we found out, has parallel sides, and that's what makes it special. So here we go. I think I'm gonna go like this, like this. So these sides are parallel, and these sides are parallel. And this is a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a trapezoid. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral. So that's why I drew them like this, because you can kind of see this is, well, this can fit inside this category and this can fit inside this category. So the category of quadrilaterals is really actually very big. All right, get ready for the next box.